In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pre-built automations in Monday.com, fast and easy. Welcome everyone. Automating tasks can significantly boost your productivity and help streamline your workflow. And Monday.com offers a great feature to do just that with their pre-built automations. Follow along as we navigate the platform together, ensuring you can maximize the benefits of these powerful tools. First, let's jump into our Monday.com board. At the top right of your screen, you will see the Automate button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to the array of automation options that Monday.com has thoughtfully curated. By clicking here, you're entering a world where repetitive tasks are handled for you, freeing up your time to focus on what truly needs your attention. Once you've clicked Automate, you'll be taken to a screen filled with a variety of common automation recipes. A convenient feature of Monday.com is that you can either scroll through these to get inspired or use the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. These recipes are essentially preset automation formulas designed to cater to frequent tasks or actions you might want to automate. Browse through them to get a sense of what's possible. It might even spark new ideas on how you can optimize your workflows. For today's demonstration, let's choose one of these pre-built recipes. Specifically, let's go with the option that says, "When date arrives, notify someone." This recipe is particularly useful for reminders or to ensure that everyone stays on top of critical deadlines or tasks. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed to the next step. After selecting your pre-built automation, you will now have the opportunity to customize it to fit your unique needs. This is where the true power of automation lies. You'll be able to specify the key details such as which date column this automation should trigger from and, importantly, identify who should be notified. Take a moment to consider who the relevant stakeholders are in your project and ensure they're informed when needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, finalize the process by clicking Add to Board. By adding this automation to your board, you're setting up a seamless reminder system that will help prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to integrate automation into your daily routine. I hope you found this overview helpful and that it inspires you to explore more ways to leverage automations within Monday.com to improve your workflow efficiency. Remember, the goal is to minimize manual intervention and maximize your time for more strategic initiatives. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.